Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about determinants, or we can say topic of the day is determinants. First of all, the definition of determinants. Actually, what is determinants? A determiner is a word that is used before a noun to show how the noun is being used. And there are four types of determinants. I have written here. First, articles an, the. An indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Second, demonstratives. This, that, these, those. Next, quantifiers. All, any, a great deal of, etc. Then fourth, numbers two types, cardinal and ordinal. Cardinal 1 2 3 4 5 6 and ordinal first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, is it clear? So first of all we will do these two, articles and demonstratives. Okay, is first we will do articles, and in articles there are three: an, the. An indefinite articles and the is definite articles. So first of all we will do indefinite articles. An indefinite articles. So where do we use a and n? So first of all I am telling you about a. Before the consonant, when we get the sound of consonant, then we use a. Okay, how? This is a book. Is it clear? You can see B consonant, that's why we have used here a. I have a pen. You can see P is a consonant and we get the sound of consonant also. That's why we have used a. Okay. And N before vowels. And second, when we get the sound of vowels, then we use N. How? I have an ink pot. I have an umbrella. We are getting the sound of vowels, that's why N. You can see here. Means we use a or n according to the sounds. If we get the sounds of vowels, then we use n, and if we get the sound of consonant, then we use a. Okay, see how? He is an honest person. Yes, now you can see here it is a consonant, but we get the sound of vowel. Honest. Oh, that's why N. He is an MLA. M. We are getting the sound of M. M. I think you are getting this. Okay, when we get the sound of vowels, then we use N. Okay, and now I went in A university. University. Just get it, it is U, but we get the sound of U, and U is not the sound of vowel. Actually the sound of U, get this, sound of U, is it clear? The sound of U is how? I have an umbrella. You can see this is as I have told you, when we get the sound of vowels, then we use N. So here we get the sound of umbrella, and here we are getting the sound of U. Okay, have you got this? One more example if you want to see. My friend did not have a dog. You did not have a book. In this way. Okay, have you got this? Good. It's more examples of A. Mr. Gupta came in the evening. You know very well that before proper noun we do not use A, but if comparison is there, then you will see how it is. As I have used here, he is a Dara Singh. Means just like Dara Singh. He is not Dara Singh. Just like Dara Singh. Means comparison is there. Means वह Dara Singh के जैसा है. He is a Dara Singh. And Mr. Gupta came in the evening. Means any Mr. Gupta. We don't know. It is not sure. Mr. Gupta came in the evening. Any. Any Mr. Gupta came in the evening. And next, petrol sells 70 rupees a liter. Means if a rate is there, then we use this. Okay, have you got this? Mr. Gupta means any Mr. Gupta, and he is a Dara Singh means he is not a Dara Singh. He is just like a Dara Singh. Okay. Yes, now we will do definite article. The is a definite article. Now see the examples I have written for you. This is a book. The book is very interesting. You see, first time, if any noun is used first time in a sentence or in any paragraph, then we use a. And if the same word is used second time, then the. You can see here. This is a book. Now the book. Before this book we have used the. If we use a book, then it will be wrong, totally wrong. Because first times it has come and now it is second time. That's why the book is very interesting. And remember, the is used before countable nouns. Okay. Sometimes you can see here, it happens. See the examples. I will tell you the difference. A cow is useful, means shows all cows. Okay. Now the cow is useful. Here the also all cows. Cows are useful, all cows. Means we can write in this way. And now see, the cows are useful. The meaning of this sentence means particular cows. Maybe the cows are in your house and you are talking about them. Then we use the. The cows are useful means particular cows. And here cows are useful, all cows, the cows is useful, all cows. Okay. Now the cows of Gujarat are very useful because we have used the. If we use the before plural countable nouns, then it means the cows or the means anything will be particular. As here, the cows of Gujarat are very useful means particular cows of Gujarat. The books, before books we have used the books you gave me, the books you gave me, जो book आपने मुझे दी थी, are very interesting, बहुत interesting है. Have you got this? Means particular books. Here the shows means unique thing, particular thing. Is clear? Means the is used before particular or unique. The thing which is unique or particular, then we use the. Okay. As next, the students are doing their work. See here, as I have told you, we do not use the before plural nouns. And here we have used the students or the teachers are teaching in the class. You can see here teachers also plural, students also plural, and we have used the. And I have told you we do not use the before plural countable nouns. Then what is the difference? Means the students and the teachers, they are familiar, they know to each other. If the things or the persons are familiar, it means the students are doing their work, they are familiar. Means we are talking about particular students, means maybe a teacher or anyone is observing, then the teacher can say the students are doing their work. Means the teacher knows about the students. If the speaker knows about the students, then we use the. Okay, the teachers are teaching in the class. Maybe the principal is around, then the principal can say that the teachers are teaching in the class. Means the principal is talking about the particular teachers. Is it clear? When we talk about particular thing, then we use the. Okay. Yes, the use of if noun is uncountable, then how? As gold is costly, it is uncountable, so the is not used. But if we talk about particular gold, then we use the. The gold of this ring is costly. Now we are talking about the particular gold. Honesty is the best policy, uncountable. You can see now the honesty of a poor man is admirable. Now we are talking about a particular person. Okay, means if a particular or unique thing is there, then we use the. Okay, and now next is now next point. Before the names of mountains, islands, rivers, great books, newspapers, magazines, it is A. Magazines and journals, professions, planets or heavenly bodies, musical instruments, historical buildings or places, religious community, airplanes, ships, trains, empire, dynasty, municipal or government departments and armed forces, important historical events, committees, club, foundation, parts of the body, the government undertakings, directions, title, post, seasons, canals, deserts as the Sahara deserts, plains, dates of the month, ordinal numbers, superlative degrees, you know very well, office, cinema, station, bus stop, inventions, comparatives, comparatives, comparatives. See, the higher you go, the cooler you find. Okay, and superlative as Megha is the most beautiful girl in the class. Okay, in this way you know very well about superlative, but in comparatives also how in this way. Okay, and if examples, so just you have to learn these examples. If mountains, as I have written mountains before mountains, rivers as the Mount Everest, it is the name, the Mount Everest, the Ganga river, the Yamuna river, in this way. Okay, so you can do these all. Okay, and you can note down these in your notebook, and you have to learn these all by heart. And even if you feel any problem, you can make me call. Okay, goodbye.